this is Mark with Road Notes RV. Today I want to give you guys a tour from the outside of our 2014 Coachmen Freelander 21 QB. Of our 2014 Coachmen Freelander 21 QB. This is a small Class C motorhome. It's 23.5 feet long, and we've had it for about 7 years now. And I think the reason we have gotten this particular coach was two reasons. One was it was small. 6-7 years ago, we were looking for a particular motorhome that we can take on day trips and short vacations. So we weren't necessarily looking for something really big and really long. So we got this 23.5 footer. It's easy to drive. You can park it pretty much anywhere. It fits into a regular parking spot. And that was important to us at the time. Now that we're about 6-7 years in with this coach, we are getting ready to perhaps upgrade in the near future to something much larger, since we are planning on going full-time. And the second reason we got this particular coach is its enormous storage capacity inside and out. If you want to see the interior of this unit, please watch our other video that is done by Leslie, and she's giving you a tour of the interior. I will link that video in the description below. I want to give you a quick tour of the outside, so let's do it. Okay, so here's our motorhome, 23.5 feet long. That includes the cab. This is a gas motorhome. Its towing capacity is 5,000 pounds. Payload, 4,000 pounds. Gross vehicle rating weight is 12,500 pounds. It has a Chevy chassis. It's a 4.8 liter engine, 280 horsepower. Of course, above here we have our fully electric awning. Just with a push of a button, it comes out. Very convenient, very easy. Okay, we're going to start here on the passenger side of the motorhome. Right here next to our front door, if you will, is the LP gas station, so to speak. This is where we get filled up for LP gas. Yeah, that's pretty simple here. Right above it is our little entertainment center outside, and we absolutely love it. We have a TV. We have a TV here. We have a radio with a CD player, and we have speakers. And this TV here on the outside is completely independent from the one on the inside. So somebody can watch a channel inside and somebody can watch something else outside. All of our TVs are Jensen, and honestly we haven't had any problems with it, so it's been working great and we've been enjoying it. Okay, moving on down, here is our refrigerator. It runs on LP gas or electric inside. So pretty simple here. And we move on further down. This is one of our extremely large storage compartments, and that was one of the selling features I think that ultimately made our decision to purchase this unit back in 2014. So as you can see, this is quite large. I mean, I can't reach back to the other end. It is so big. There's no carpet in here. Everything is laid out with either a plastic tub or the same laminate flooring that they have inside of the coach. And here we keep everything from, really everything that we need outside. So all of our outdoor furniture are in here, our hookup water hoses. We keep extra towels here, cable hookup stuff. We have our sewer hose bucket in here as well. That obviously comes out when we get to a place where we can hook sewer up to. We have a canopy tent. We have our tables in here. So everything that we need for the outdoors, carpets, is in here, and it holds it without a problem. And what's nice about it, we also have a spare tire back there as well. What's nice about this storage unit is that it can be accessed from here, from the passenger side of the coach, but also from the rear of the coach, which I'm going to show you next. If you're new to our channel here and you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell button. That turns on your notification. So when we come out with a new video, you will be notified. Thank you in advance. So we are now on the back of the coach, and here's another door that we can access our large storage box from the outside, but from here. So very easy to get things out because it is such a large storage compartment. It's a great thing to have these two access points.
Love is love. Love is love.
Here's the rear of the coach. As you can see, that's the storage panel box right here. And then we have a full ladder that takes you up to the roof to do your routine maintenance. Okay, and the roof, besides it being really dirty and needing cleaning, it houses 3 vents and our air conditioner as well as our antenna. This unit also has a lot of windows. They're not frameless windows, but it has a lot of windows that allows natural light in if you want to. So we have one here in the back. We have one here on the driver's side and up in the cab area right here as well. And as we go to the passenger side, you can see we have another window, which is the bedroom, the kitchen area window, and then the front cab. So this unit allows plenty of ambient or natural light into the coach. Okay, we are now on the driver's side, and here is a little bit of a hookup station. So we've lost the cab here for this, but this is if your campground has any kind of cable hookups. You can plug in your cable here, and then you can have cable TV inside the coach. We have our fresh water fill and our hookup for water when we get to the campsite. And right here behind me is our gas tank cap. So, it takes regular unleaded gas. So pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory here. Okay, on the driver's side is our black and gray water tank valves to empty the tanks. Okay, moving on down the line, we have our hot water tank and furnace. Okay, next we have our Cummings Onan 4000 generator. You can cold start it from right here, or of course you can prime it and start it from the inside of the unit as well. The generator will soon be getting a little maintenance done. I'll probably be doing a video for that, and we're going to be changing the oil and filter. So stay tuned for that one. Okay, our last storage container on the outside is right next to our generator box. And that is another storage unit. I keep tools in here, leveling blocks, things like that. So this is a great little toolbox for me. And that's pretty much it on the outside of this unit. So as you can see, there's plenty of storage available. It has everything that you need to be on the road, whether you're boondocking or whether you have partial hookups or full hookups. So we have really been enjoying this unit right here. Okay, so here is one last complete walk around our 2014 Coachmen Freelander model QB. Okay, so that was the tour of our 2014 Coachmen Freelander 21 QB. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, visit our website at roadnotesrv.com for more information. You can learn more about us and to visit our blog page. We'll see you here next time.